Good morning and welcome. How to get a job in another language. For example, your primary language is English and you are looking for a position in French. First of all, regarding your CV and your letter of motivation, today you have a lot of choice. You can work with Google Translate, you can work with artificial intelligence that can help you to build a strong letter of motivation and a strong CV. Be careful, even if you work with these tools, you have to correct it yourself and to put your personal touch. That's the first point. The second point is that when you are applying in a language that is not your primary language, don't put in your CV that you are not good in the language. For example, you are applying in French, you can put, for example, you have to find a formulation that is not clear, but you will not lie. You don't have to say that you are fluent in French, for example, in the language, but we will not say that you are bad also. You can say, for example, working knowledge of this language. Second point. Third point, you send your application file and you have a job interview. For the job interview, you have to prepare yourself. Even if you are not good in the language, regarding your field of expertise, you don't need to know all the words, all to be perfectly fluent in the language. Regarding your field of expertise, you have key technical terms. You know to learn them, to know them. And when you will arrive to the job interview, you will try to do what you have to do and be clear on that your knowledge of the language is not perfect, but regarding your technical aspect, regarding your field of expertise, you have a working knowledge. You will have also to prepare yourself and focus on your achievement during the job interview. Show to the recruiter that you are able to do the job. The best way to show to the recruiter that you are able to do the job is to work on 4 or 3 achievements linked to the job description and explain work and tell to the recruiter this achievement. This will make that the job interview will not focus on your language level, but you will focus on the job. You will focus on the fact that you have strong achievement and you are able to do the job. So this is quite a simple method to get a job in a language that is not your primary language. Thank you for your attention and good luck. Last point. After the job interview, try to send a thank you message to the recruiter if you have this possibility. In this message, you can help yourself with Google Translate or artificial intelligence and send a perfect message in the language of the job you are targeting. Thank you for your attention and good luck again.